Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gabe Hogan, and today what we're going to be talking about is how to make more money at your job in 2018. All right, it's going to be a great video. Stick with me till the very end, okay, guys? So I want to start out with this question, and the question is: if you were to leave your current job today, would it impact the company that you work for? Would there be a void? Would that loss be felt within the company? All right, and that's going to lead us to some of the points that I want to make today on how you can actually make more money at your job in 2018. All right, guys. Now, what I want y'all to think about is think about somebody that works at McDonald's. Okay, think about somebody that works at McDonald's, and I want you to think about the skill set that it takes to be able to do that job. Okay, now the thing is, with people at McDonald's, they don't get paid that well because you can actually teach that skill set within a couple days to even a couple weeks at the most. That person is going to know how to do that job. Okay? So then in turn, you do not get paid that well to do that job. Okay? So that's what determines the pay. Now, what I want to get the point across to you guys today is that it's going to take skills to be able to make more money at your job in 2018. So if you do not currently have skills, like skills that are hard to get, skills that take time to develop, skills that are valuable in your sector of the workplace, then you're going to need to develop or go get those skills. All right, guys, they're going to be important because skills is what's going to bring in your company more money. You're going to be able to make more sales. You're going to be able to become a bigger asset to the company that you work for. Now, currently, I work for my dad. He's got a business in automotive, and I work for him. Now, my skill is that I can program robots. I can do PLC work. There's many different things I can do, but I've developed skills so that I've become an asset to the company. Okay? And the thing is that skill set is something that takes years and years and years to develop. Now, you can't just go out and you can't find anybody that can do that right off the bat unless they've been in the industry for a long time. Now, so that's something you need to think about. How can you become valuable? How can you become an asset? How can you become somebody that your company cannot do without? Okay? And if that means going to different classes, if that means going back to college to get another skill set, if that means going to vocational school, whatever that means, then you need to do it. Okay? Because as you become more valuable, then you're going to be able to go in for that extra ask, for that promotion, for that raise, whatever it may be. And if you are giving and giving and giving to this company, then they're going to feel like they need to give you a raise, give you a promotion, or give you whatever it may be. Okay? But understand, you need to be an asset to the company, and you need to be able to help that company make more money. Okay? Because, guys, at the end of the day, it all comes down to how are you helping the company make more money? How valuable are you to the company? And would the company notice if you were to quit? Would the company be worse off if you were to quit? Or would they still be running the same way they are now a week from the time you quit once they found somebody to fill in your position? Okay, is your position easily fillable? All right, guys, so I hope that makes sense. And what I want you guys to just think about that core question that I asked you all at the beginning of this video. If you were to leave today, would anybody notice? Okay, would anybody notice? And would there be a loss that was felt in your company? Okay, guys, so I hope that helped. And I hope that gets you guys thinking about how you can actually make more money in 2018. Search out those opportunities. Search out and figure out, how can I help my company make more money? How can I become valuable? And how can I get to the point where the company can't do without me? Okay, guys. So I hope that helped. If y'all enjoyed it, click that like button. Give me a thumbs up. and make sure you're subscribed for the next videos that are coming up this week. I appreciate y'all, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video.